Meaning of deanery.
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 Deanery. The term deanery refers to the office or jurisdiction of a dean, a high-ranking official in certain religions or educational institutions. In a religious context, a dean may be responsible for overseeing a group of churches or priests, while in an academic setting, a dean may be the head of a faculty or division within a university. The role of a dean often involves administrative and leadership duties, such as managing budgets, hiring faculty, and developing programs that support the goals and mission of their organization.